Hi friends, today we are going to study square root by prime factorization method. Square means if a number is multiplied by itself, the product is called square of that number. For example, 4 square, that means 4 into 4. A number is multiplied by itself, the answer is square of that number, that is 16. Understood? In this way, we are finding square root. Today, we are going to study prime factorization method. First one, find the square root of 576. In this method, first express the given number as a product of prime factors. So, we should do prime factors, is it? 576. First, we should do with 2. This is the prime number. So, we will get 2 2s are 8 2s are 16, 1 carry over 8. Again, we should do with prime number 2, is it? Then we will get 1 4 4. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Again 2. Then we will get 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Again 2, we will get 1 8. Again 2, we will get 9. 9, we will get the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, is it? So, can we write like this? 576 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, is it? Then make the pairs of similar factor. Make the pairs of similar factor, is it? This is the pairs of similar factor. Take one factor from each pair and find their product. So, we will take here 2 and this section we will get 2. Again here 2, is it? This one 3. Then what we will do? We should find their product, which is the square root of the given that number. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this is the answer. So square root of 576 equals 24. In this way, we are finding square root by prime factorization method. Understood? So, square root of 576 is equals to 24. First, what we will do? Express the given number as the product of prime factors. First, we should do prime factorization. Then, make the pairs of similar factors. Then, at last, find their product. Understood? In this way, we are finding square root. Next, we are going to study square root by division method. When the numbers are large, the method of finding square root by prime factorization becomes lengthy and difficult. For in this case, for large numbers, we use long division method for finding square root. Okay, let us study how to find square root by division method. First, I will write one question for you. Find the square root of 784 by division method. Okay. First, what we will do? Starting from the right, that is from the ones digit, make the pairs and put bar on each pair. So I will write for you 784, is it? In this way. And starting from ones digit, from the right, that is ones digit, make the pairs and put bar on each side. So in this way. This is 2 digit, here only 1 digit. So we should put a bar on each pair. Okay. Next, if the number of the digit is odd, then put bar on the leftmost single digit also. Thus we have 784. First what we will do, take 7. Okay. Find. First look at the number 7. 7 is in which square? 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Is it? So 3 square is 9, that is bigger than 7. So we will take 2. Okay. 2. The quotient also 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 square is 4. Okay. Then subtract this number, we will get 3. Then what we will do next? Bring down the number under the next bar, that is 84 here, to the right of the remainder. So the new dividend is 384. Is it? Then what is the next step? Next step is double the quotient and enter it at the so the next step is double the quotient. So the quotient is 2, so the double is 4. Is it? Then guess the largest possible digit to fill the blank. This is blank. Okay. Fill the blank, which also become a new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied by the new quotient. So we will think which number will come. Then will come 4. Is it? 384. So if we multiply 42. Let us do here. 42 into 2. So we will get 164. It is not possible. So let us do 47 into 7. So it will get 329. Not possible. Let us do another one. 48 into 8. So 8 8s are 64. Is it? Yeah, exactly. It will get 384. So we got the answer 8. Is it? So shall we write over here 8. 48 8. Is it? 48 8s are 384. The remainder is 0. So the answer is, the remainder is 0. The square root of 784 is 28. Is it? The quotient is 28. So this is the very easy method to find out square root by division method. First, what we should do? We should put bar on the number from right side. Take the pairs. Is it? Then first take the numbers and then do the which square is suitable for that number. We should find that one. Then take down the remainder and bring it down the other 2 bar number and take the which number is suitable for the square. We should find like that. Is it? In this way, we are finding out square root by division method. This is the very easy method for large number. Okay. Today we studied square root by prime factorization method and square root by division method. Thank you.